Despite a statement from the Department of Land Management regarding the disputed Jonya Seminary's ownership, former Senator Bob Klitzkie says he believes land management still has not made any effort to correct their mistake. Here's more.
So all of the times that I went and asked him, when are you going to file the petition? He showed a complete lack of candor.
The issue stems from a publication of the certificate of title the Archdiocese of Agana published on November 29th in their newspaper, the Umatuna Sidzuos. In it, the Archdiocese claims that the certificate of title proves they are the true owners of the property and not a third party, as many critics have argued. The problem is, and as acknowledged by land management, the certificate was missing key information, the controversial deed restriction that critics say deeds the property over to a third party indefinitely, essentially giving the multi-million-dollar property away. When Klitzkie brought this error up to Land Management Director Mike Borja, the director responded, acknowledged the error, and even tried to fix it with a handwritten version of the deed recorded on the certificate of title. Klitzkie was still dissatisfied with the handwritten version, pointing out that it does not fix the problem. Borja agreed, and on January 20th, Borja wrote to Klitzkie and told him that he had sent a petition to the Attorney General's office so that they can file it with the Superior Court of Guam to fix the error. Klitzkie points out that this is the only way to correct the error as per Guam law. Klitzkie then sent a Freedom of Information Act request to Borja so that he could take a look at the petition. The response Klitzkie got for his FOIA?
His response to that request was none. Big letters, none. In other words, there was no petition. There were no papers. The Attorney General of Guam, Elizabeth Barrett Anderson, advised him petition the court to correct the erroneous memorial. He didn't do that.
Instead, Borja last Thursday issued a statement to the media, noting that they had decided to correct the error by following a different law. Borja says that because the Archdiocese of Agana had duplicate copies of the certificate of titles, they were able to cancel the erroneous titles and reissue new ones with the correct information regarding the deed restriction.
In your opinion, what he did provide as far as the deed restriction being memorialized in the certificate of title on Thursday, in your opinion, is that enough?
No. Finally, the correct words are on a piece of paper called certificate of title, but this is the fourth certificate of title altogether now, or fourth piece of paper that says certificate of title that has come out of that office. And until the director, Mike Borja, actually does it right by petitioning the court, we're just talking about new papers that, even though they contain the right information, are wrong.
So it's essentially the same thing that he did by trying to correct it in the beginning where he had it handwritten, but now it's just being typed.
Exactly. That's a good way to put it.
You can read more online at PacificNewsCenter.com.